Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you all are well and you are doing your task at home. I am your English teacher, Miss Sadaf Javed, with Unit 6, Choosing Shoes. This is part 2 of this unit. We have read the chapter in our last video, and in this video we are going to do book exercises. So kindly take out your books. This is your poem, Choosing Shoes. Let us come to exercises on page number 26, that are activities. Exercise A, complete the sentence. You can see there are different words given in the word cloud. You have to select the correct word and fill in the blank. Number 1, children like dash shoes. Nice shoes. Definitely children like nice shoes. Shoot dash if they are tied. If the shoes are tied, they hurt. H-U-R-T, hurt. Number 3, shoes can have dash too. You know that shoes can have straps too. Number 4, it is fun to go to a shoe shop. Number 5, mom and dad like flat shoes. Shoe come in lots of colors. This was the exercise A. Next exercise B is tick the correct boxes. This is about yourself. Number 1, I like pink shoes, black shoes or red boots. This is up to you. Which shoes do you like? I have brown shoes, blue boots or white shoes. This is also up to you. What do you have in your home? I like white socks, long socks and red socks. Which socks do you like? White socks, long socks or red socks? You have to tick the correct box. If you have those socks with you, then you will tick the correct box. Number 4, I have long socks, yellow socks or white socks. This is up to you that which type of socks do you have, long socks, yellow socks or white socks, and then tick the box which you have. Next exercise C, what kind of shoes? There are 3 different type of shoes given in the picture. You have to write the correct name in with the picture. Number 1, pink shoes, bunny slippers, red boots. These are the options. You have to write these options with the correct picture. You can see the first picture is the red boots, right? Red boots with them. They are the long boots. These are for the winter season or for the places where there is snow. Bunny slippers. Bunny slippers can be worn at night. They are comfortable. And then at the end you will see the shoes which are pink in color. So write pink shoes with them. These are the 3 type of shoes. Then language exercise on page number 27, write each sentence correctly. You can see the words are in the sentence is in the jumble form. The words are given but they are not kept accordingly. You have to place the word correctly and complete the sentence. Number 1, crying John at was school. The correct sentence is John was crying at school. Number 2, shoe his he lost had. What is the correct sentence? He had lost his shoe. Number 3, brown it small shoe was a. Correct statement is it was a small brown shoe. Dear students, have you noticed down here in the sentences that there is one word in the sentence that is capital? It means that it will come in the beginning. In the first sentence, that was John. J is capital. In the second sentence, he is capital. So he will come at the beginning of the sentence. And in the third sentence, it, I-T, I is capital. So it will come in the beginning of the sentence. Number 4, everywhere teacher the looked. The is capital here. So the is the beginning word of the sentence. The teacher looked everywhere. Correct sentence. Number 5, table the was under the shoe. Here again the is capital. Then we should start with the beginning of the sentence with the. The shoe was under the table. These sentences should be written on your book, page number 27. Now exercise B. Match the words and pictures. Book page number 27. You see there are different statements given about the shoes. Brown shoes with bees, white shoes with suns, blue shoes with flowers and black shoes with cars. You just have to write these words with the correct picture. Number 1 picture, you can see that these are brown shoes with bees. Number 2, white shoes with suns. Number 3, blue shoes with flowers. Number 4, black shoes with cars. Do this exercise on page number 27. Then is exercise C, all about me. You have to tell about yourself. Number 1, I have dash shoes, whether nice, new or old. Dash got them in the shop, whether mom got it or dad got it. They have straps, laces or heels. I have chosen laces. I have dash also, boots or slippers. I like my shoes most. You can also write boots or slippers. It depends on you that what type of shoes do you have, and then you have to draw the picture of your shoes. And I have pasted the picture of shoes with the laces. So whatever shoes you are selecting, draw the picture of that shoes. Okay? Then exercises on page number 28 is about sound. Say the word, write the sound. There are different words in the word cloud: band, sting, sand, sing, land, ring, bring, stand, swing, wand, wing and hand. These are the words which end at and there are some words which end at ing. So you have to differentiate those words and write them in the different columns. The first word ending at and: band, sand, land, stand, wand, hand. In the second column there are the words ending at ing. Those are sting, sing, ring, bing, swing, wing. These are all the words present in the word cloud. You just have to write them in the correct box. So those words which ends at and on one side of the table and the words ending at ing on the other side. This is a very interesting exercise. You have to choose and then write. Exercise B, name and color. This exercise will be done with the help of activity A because there are the words given in activity A and you have to write those words with the picture. The first picture is of a ring, R-I-N-G, ring. Then the second picture is a stick and it has a star on it. This is a wand that the magicians have or the fairies have. That is wand. They do magic with the wand. Number 3 is swing, S-W-I-N-G, swing. Then below there are 3 pictures. There is the picture of hand, H-A-N-D, hand. With the hand there is a picture of plane and there is arrow on the wing of the plane. So that is wing, W-I-N-G, wing. The last picture is of the desert where there is a camel and sun and there is all sand, S-A-N-D, sand. Then exercise C, listen and spell on page number 28. These are the dictation words you have to learn and your parents are going to take the dictation on page number 28. The words are choose, pretty, pointy, strappy, snappy, bright, perhaps, tight, stump, wipe. Learn the spellings of these words. Your homework is to do all the exercises on book from page number 26 to 28. Learn dictation words. Parents should take the dictation on book page number 28. Till then, take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.